In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a balcony in Planner 5D. So to do this, first you want to open your project. Mine looks like this. It's basically just a square house, but of course you can do this with any project or any build you are currently creating. So whenever you do that, you want to first add the floor on which you want to have your balcony. So of course the balcony cannot be on the first floor, so we're going to add a new floor by going to up here, top left, and then new floor. Now over here, I'm going to just rename this to be second floor like this, and then I'm going to click on the check mark. Now we do have the second floor, and what you want to do now is actually add the balcony. And the easiest way to do that is to go to 2D, and I'm going to go to second floor. And what we're going to do here is go to the build mode, and we're going to add a new room. Now when I click on the room over here, I'm just going to use like this one, and then I'm going to add it over here to the right, and then you can reposition it to, of course, the size you want your balcony to be. So right now, as you can see, the room is like by default looking like this. It's a square, but of course you can reposition it and kind of change the size of it. So we're going to do it like that. We're just going to make it a bit smaller like this, and let's just say this is going to be our balcony, okay? Now don't mind if it's too big. Right now it's going to be fine. So we're just going to put it over here, and let's now see how this looks. There we go. It's still a bit weird because it has walls, but we're gonna fix this in just a second. So what you want to do is remove these walls. You want to click on each and every single individual wall and either hide it or delete it. I'm gonna click on that, and just like this, I'm going to hide all of these walls over here. If it's gonna let me, yeah, there we go. And then this one, there we go. And now it's already looking much better. Now whenever you've done this, notice it's going to give you like this at top, but it's always showing. Like if you just basically go like this, it's not showing anymore. So when you do that, you can now see that, of course, we have our base for our balcony. So what you have to do here is simply, of course, add the entrance. So we're going to go to our room here. I'm going to go to the back here, and I'm going to add doors. So this is up to you what you want to achieve here. I'm just going to click on the room over here, and I'm just going to do, let's actually just do, I don't know, maybe like a double door with just something completely random. I'm going to click, and I'm going to add it in here just like this. So if I now go to review it in 3D mode, there we go. It's a very small balcony, but you get the point. Of course, you can always change this. You can resize this if you want to. You can always do that, so completely up to you. And then whenever you're done, we're going to add something like a fence. So I'm going to go out here, and I'm actually going to look for like fence or something like that. Let's see what pops up. There we go. We have a bunch of different ones. Now, of course, it's up to you whichever you put. I'm just going to use this one, even though it may not make sense, but it's going to work for now. So I'm going to position this like over here like this, and I'm going to, oops, if it's going to let me, it's going to change. There we go. I'm going to put it like that. Then I'm going to also add one more over here on the other side, and what I'm going to do here is also add a third one, and this one, if I click on it, it's going to let me rotate it, and I'm going to put this over here, and it's going to be like that as well. Okay, so that's like a very brief doing. I can do like the width or depth can be changed, as well as the height, stuff like that. So if I go and change this, it's going to let me do it whenever I want to. And yeah, I'll just leave it like this. I won't play too much just to not waste your time. And if I go to 3D view, as you can see here, the fences are not the best, but essentially we do have a balcony over here. So as you can see, here's our fence, we have the door, and we have the balcony. Okay, again, you can go ahead and play around with it. You can make it as good as you want, but this is essentially how you can make your balcony with your own like fences, stuff like that. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.